Onimu now.
What is it now?
Come chop food.
Can you let me be? Which one is con chop? Which food? Is that why we're here? Chop which food? Please, leave me alone.
Onimu now, you dey come out for money, you no chop any food. Now you don't come back, you don't want chop again.
As if you care. As if you care about my happiness. You care about my happiness. Yet you don't do anything to make me happy. Instead of being the one doing everything to make you happy. Doing everything to make sure you're a happy wife, but what you do in return is making me unhappy all the time. For over a year we got married. We have never had real intimacy as husband and wife. Instead, all the time, it's quarreling. You're a very selfish woman. If you don't know, let me tell you now, you're very selfish.
I don't be like that now. Sorry now, I can't chop food.
What have I not done to bring peace? Okay, she said I'm heavy. Anytime I'm on top of you, I'm heavy. Why not you instead be on top? I know it's always shuking me in my womb. Okay, let's do it the other way. Let me bend so that I will she said no, her waist is paining her. Okay, I held her legs like this. Let's also do it gently like this. Still the same thing. Is it the way you're pushing me out that you're going to be pregnant? Is it not when I come that you're going to take in? When you don't allow me to come, you don't even allow me to get close to you. Instead, all you do is to push me out. Even when I say, baby, I will take it easy, she still won't allow. Please let me be. For the fact that I'm even saying all these things is making me angry. Am I supposed to be having this conversation with my wife?
Sorry now.
People out there now would think that we are quarreling. That is why, since over a year we got married, you've not gotten pregnant, not knowing you're the cause of it.
Sorry now. I am sorry.
Please just let me be. I don't even like that I'm saying all these things. I don't like it.
Okay. Okay, I'm not going to push you again. Yeah. I'm going to allow you make you stay.
That's what she always says. If you go there now, one minute she'll still push me out.
I'm not going to push you.
Please, just leave me alone.
In my beg now. So she better say, I'm not going to push you again. Make you come chop food now.
Stop talking about food first. Food is not the reason we are here. It's not the reason for all these things. If you say that you're going to behave yourself now, fine. We'll go upstairs and eat the food. After eating the food, we'll now come down here and talk about this food here. That is if you're saying that you're ready.
I don't ready.
You don't ready. Okay, let's go. Seeing is believing.
Make you come chop food first.
No, I've told you stop talking about food. Let's go and eat the food and then come back for the food. It's not me that you made the food for. Michael Akwara is telling you to leave the food. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Come. What is it? You've started again. I don't. What's this now?
Make you chop food now. Make you forget power.
Can you leave the food? Let's go, please. Let's go.
Now, make you chop this one before the food go cold.
Let's go.
Wait now. I'm sorry now.
Don't come close to me, please. Please just leave me alone.
Sorry now, I am go. No verse. Go.
Let's go. Let's go.